Would you like to learn a yummy recipe for Pico de Gallo just like this? You would? Good, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D. Delight.
Let us begin by chopping up some tomatoes. Tomato, however you say it. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Next, we're going to chop up some multicolored bell peppers. This is not a typical ingredient for Pico de Gallo. Usually people use jalapenos, but I'm a punk and I don't like heat, so I'm using bell peppers. Next, add chopped onions and some cilantro. I chopped that off camera because ain't nobody got time for that. Bell peppers in. Now add some pink salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. I had also added some purple onions, but that's not part of the recipe. I just love onions. Then hit it with some fresh lime juice. Now I'm gonna mix it all up, get it all nice and well combined. Then it should look something like this.
Lisa D. Delight.
Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. This Pico de Gallo was so simple to make, just a few ingredients and so super yummy. To me, it's like a Mexican salsa. It goes well on tacos, nachos, enchiladas, but my favorite is to eat it with pretty tacos like these. I'll put that taco recipe above. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make it feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make it feel so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make it feel so good. Make sure you like